Hi guys, how are you? I'm excited because I finally found a spot that was like okay to film. You know, I get a little bit of sunlight. You know, I'm sitting up in the carpet, which is fine because I can finally have like a little spot where it's not really dark and I can, you know, talk to you guys and you can see my face and that's not gonna be far away. It's not in the bathroom with a really awful yellow lighting, which my boyfriend doesn't want to change. I mean, we're moving in 2 months, so starting from scratch and, you know, buying new things and such. But for now, we'll have to do what we have, and I'm just so happy that I finally found like a little area where I could just film with you guys and talk to you guys. But one of my hair flew it. I have this bad boy, you guys, that I'm very excited to open. It's the Fab Fit Fun starter box, which it's amazing. Actually, I've been wanting it since like I've been wanting one for like a year and a half. If you don't know how it goes, basically you need somebody to send you an invite on your mail, on your email, and then you just pay $5 for shipping, and they'll ship you the box, and then you're enrolled into, you know, $50 every 3 months, or you can cancel if you want to. It's like a trial version, like a starter box, as it says, for you to know and feel, you know, if you're gonna like the box, if you're gonna like, you know, like the things they carry, and for you to try it out, basically. So I'm excited because I finally found a person on Facebook, one of the forums. They had a starter box, and she was kind enough to send me a link, so I just paid $5 for this one, just for the shipping. And yeah, I'm excited, you guys. I already opened it with a sister, but I haven't opened it yet. So, oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at the color. It's pink, and it has this thing right here. It's like a magazine. It has this thing where it says Fab Fit Fun, the starter box, how it's curated. See, breaks up your box. I'm not gonna read too much into it. Top rated Fab Fit Fun products. Positive words. Oh, embrace the seasons, which I bet is like fruits for the seasons. Oh, look how cute. Love it. I love this magazine. Oh my God, I love it. Horoscopes. It's amazing. I like this. Oh, I like this little magazine thingy. Pretty cute. I'll read it later. For sure. And then they have a note from us, I'm not gonna read it now. And then, oh, what's in the box? It says the total retail value for this box is $200. 200 bucks. Wow. And I just paid $5, okay? So I already saw a couple of products, but I just wanted to show you how it comes back. Look how pretty it does. Share to win Fab Fit Fun. So cute, guys. Oh God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so if you don't know, people that you don't know, basically nobody, I'm obsessed with Glam Glow. Like, Glam Glow is my favorite brand ever, and I just got 2 Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask, which each one retails for $9 on Sephora or whatever. So I really wanted to try this mask, but I didn't want to pay as much for them. So I'm really excited to get these because I'm finally going to be able to use them. They have green tea leaf teoxy. Yeah, I love this brand. I have their mud. I have the little samples. I have the cleanser ones, which I left in Colombia because I'm that person, but whatever. That's a great brand, and it's really like, it has really tackled my bad acne, like, and even my boyfriend's, because he has a really bad skin. Like, he has a really he breaks out all the time, and we've used it on him too, and it also helped him a lot, like helped him out a lot. So I'm excited. That was $18, both of those two. Then second, oh my God, it's the Dr. Brand Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Age-Defying Exfoliator. Wow. It says here that it's $79. I do have a couple of this Dr. Brand products from BoxyCharm. They used to have send them a lot, and I never wore them. I honestly just gave them away because I was kind of scared. I mean, there was a lot of money. I gave them away to my mom. I was like, you know, it's everything's what's working with the other things that I was using. Yeah, white. I mean, it was a winter too, so my skin was kind of good. But now that we're going into spring and into summer, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to use this because I don't have any exfoliator right now. And I mean, $79. This must be good. Okay, this must be good. It says it achieves healthy skin with a blend of aluminum oxide crystals, lactic acid, and smoothing botanicals. It polishes away dead skin cells to reveal radiant skin. I'm excited to try this for sure because I don't have any exfoliator anymore. I didn't know that you have to exfoliate your face as often. I just found it out in a kind of YouTube video, so yep. Third is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew. Oh, it's pretty. It says, one spritz is all it takes for dewy skin. It features a blend of black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, and pH levels. Oh, ginger and peppermint to rebalance the skin pH levels. Tighten pores and set makeup. Nice. And it's $35. And it says it's for all skin types, which is amazing. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew, which, I mean, I'm gonna try it because like my skin, I don't know if you guys can see, my skin is oily. Like I just did my makeup and it's already oily. So I use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray for setting my makeup when I'm not gonna go out or anything, or for just, you know, like pre-makeup. And it's like $7 a little bottle. So I mean, I guess this is like a luxurious. I haven't shown you guys pretty much how it's like a luxurious. Oh my god. It's like a luxurious product, which I'm excited to try if the camera focuses for a little bit. Thank you, camera. Thank you. Let me show you guys the other things. This is the box, which, there we go. Just opening this bad boy. Oh, I've seen this, yeah. There we go. Get excited for it. And my personal faves. You've all seen these. They're always in boxes. So I'm excited to get one. That was over $35. And last but not least, which, oh my god, I love this pattern. A Rachel Pally scarf. Ooh, I mean, a girl. Honestly, I don't want to open this because I don't have where to save them right now. So like I told you guys, we're moving, so I don't really own much scarves because in Colombia you cannot have that many scarves. But yeah, wait, give me a second. Okay, let me open it. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, I don't use that many scarves because I'm from the coast, guys, so we don't use scarves. Oh, but I'm excited to try it out. Like, these are gorgeous, very basic, simple, but like gorgeous pattern. I'm wearing black. I'm wearing black and wait. How do I show you my pants? Okay, I'm wearing black and like square thingies pants. So I'm very simple. I don't like patterns that much, besides like square patterns, or you know, like I used to things. It just becomes a hassle when you have to travel and to mix and match all these patterns. But I love this because you can go great with like a t-shirt, denim jacket, and you know, just like that's it. So I'm obsessed with this pattern. Let me see here. Oh, but it said it's $68. Rachel Pally says a girl can never have too many scarves, especially if it's as cute as this neutral tone grit scarf. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know if I would pay $68 for this scarf. And by that I say, heck no, I wouldn't. I mean, it is pretty. It says it's from China though. Yeah, it says from China. But I'm pretty sure that it was way cheaper than this because, I mean, if you see already, well, this is new. It's already fray in here. I guess this is the look that, you know, it's going for. But I wouldn't pay $68 for this. I mean, it's pretty. I'll pay like maybe 20. Then again, I've never bought a scarf before. I have no idea how much scarf retails for. Like, how do you do this? And I'm like, you put it in my hair, and I just like, you like? I don't know. I'm trying to see myself in the mirror right here in the camera. I guess I'm just gonna be basic and do it like everybody else does it, which is, let me see. This is the one that I always see, but alright. They do this one, and I don't want to eat hair. And they just do this one right here, and this one right here. And they look like they have a massive pigeon chest. I mean, it's cute. I like it. It's just very, God, I don't even know how to do the basic one. It's just very, very cute. And it's very like neutral, which I love. It goes with anything, you know. It is not a very expensive material, but you know, I just paid $5 for all this box, so I'm very happy right now. I'll take it, you know. I'm very happy. So that was it. That was my box. I'm loving it right now. I'm not gonna lie. I can't believe that I just paid $5 for it, guys. I can't believe it. But with that said, I have until tomorrow to send away 3 boxes, 3 starter boxes. So shoot, I don't even know how to do it. If any of you out there want one, send me your email and your name through my Instagram's DMs. Because I don't want you guys to leave it in YouTube because that's weird and dangerous, right? But yeah, just send me your email and your name through my Instagrams. It's at Laferran, so it's gonna be at LAFERRAN. I'm gonna put it here somewhere. Here, I don't even know how that works yet, but just send me a DM there with your email and your name, so I can send you one of these boxes, and you just have to pay $5 shipping. Okay? It's yeah, it's really cool. I love my box. It was awesome. I can't believe I paid $5 for all of that. So yeah. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you like these unboxing videos, let me know, because I subscribe to Allure Box, I subscribe to BoxyCharm, to Ipsy, so to you know, a couple of other ones. So I'm always getting new stuff, and I always like to try it, because who doesn't have enough makeup anymore, you know? Like,